Hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what?
Weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the hottest shoes that come out from the 2nd to the 8th of March. I'm going to go ahead and start off. So you don't know or know, we already had the first Pegasus release, and it did sell out. The second colorway that's coming out, this shoe is set to drop on March 5th. It does have a high retail price of $210. However, I do feel like this colorway is a lot better than the first one. Predominantly, the shoe is all black. And if you notice on the side that has a chrome swoosh, what I think is a nice touch. Kind of reminds me of that Travis Scott swoosh on the side. Is what this shoe reminded me a lot. And it's also giving me vibes of Little Nas X, that black and red shoe that he did put out a long time ago. But overall, this is a clean shoe. I could see myself rocking these, but let me know if you're rocking with these Nike Pegasus Premium. Again, this drops on March the 5th. It does have a hefty retail price of $210. Predominantly the shoe, what makes this shoe special, it features a full length air with air zoom throughout, and also has the Nike React X foam in there, which makes it the most comfortable, responsive Pegasus ever produced. It does have a high energy return. So I do think this is a comfortable shoe. Maybe if these do go on sale, I would like I said, I would like to cop one and try them out for about $180. But let me know if you're rocking with these Air Pegasus Premiums. Again, we're looking at the toe box. It does feature all black. It does say Nike Pegasus on the tongue, and we move it around to the lateral. Again, we see the back of the heel. We do see that Nike Zoom protruding out on the heel. Does glow in the dark. Does have reflective laces. And I really think this shoe is a lot better than the first one. If you don't remember, the first one was the orange and white pair. Predominantly, the shoe was white with that orange hit on it. But again, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? It's a nice shoe. I will be rocking those as well. The only thing I'm concerned with is that price point, but I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So the last shoe of the week we do on March the 8th, we do have the Air Jordan 4 Abundant. This is a women's pair shoe with the little kids, aka babies, and the toddlers, aka babies. Price point for the women's are going for $215. Little kids is going for 100, and the toddlers are going for 85. With that price point and with that name, Abundance, does that mean the shoe will be sitting? Right? Does that mean the shoe gonna be hitting? Because that's
Yes,
a great
sir.
point. I mean, if you look at the that just came out,
Please.
right? That just came out.
Mhm.
Price point for that was 200. So you want to mark this up to 215? Come on, Jordan Brand. Let's make sense with what we're doing here. But this is a clean shoe, right? Price point may be ridiculous, but this is a clean shoe. I like how they got that chrome lace locks with this shoe. I like how they incorporated that on the upper, that nook buck on the upper, making it a smooth finish. I like how they they kept the logo on the tongue and on the heel tab. I like how they did with the midsole, just kept it clean white, right? Only thing I wish they would have did different with this shoe is flip the laces, because
Yes,
having
sir.
that green, that mint green, and then you go mint green laces. Come on, Jordan
Mhm.
Brand, let's put some thought behind what you're doing, right? But overall, this is a clean females and aka babies and toddlers. It is a clean shoe, but the price point I don't agree with, but I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. But what about you, my brother?
I'm going to be dropping these. Unfortunately, they did a better job with this 2 years ago. As you know, we did have another pair of Seafoam that did release back in the day. It came out in February 9th, 2023 to be exact. That shoe, predominantly the shoe was white and did have Seafoam green hits throughout. However, I do think that was a better put together shoe than this shoe. Therefore, I'm dropping these. And again, like my brother said, that elevated price point of $5, Jordan Brand just keep on trying to nickel and dime us. Eventually, you're going to have to say, we're going to stop buying these shoes. We have to set our limits. So I'm going to say, I'm not going to tell you not to get these shoes, but I'm going to say, just know your limits. Willing to spend on a shoe. Let me know down in the comments, big heads, are you rocking these or dropping these? And wish you the best of luck.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.